Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday the 4th of September with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. I'm going to move on to cable now, and sterling dollar remains on this big downtrend, falling away, 7 weeks of downside, showing no real signs of stopping, and yesterday again that little intraday bounce was sold into, and it just seems as though further weakness is going to be seen. Selling opportunities will come during this downtrend, as they tend to have been throughout the last few weeks. But certainly, I think downside potential is high. And having broken now yesterday, 64.37 was the low. That previous low was from March, was 64.59. So having broken that low, we're now at levels not seen since February. But I think if you look at the February low, that's 62.50, and certainly I think with that coinciding also with the big 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of the big 12-month bull run, I think that's where we're coming back to. I think that's what this chart is telling us. I think this downtrend is very strong, intact. Look at these momentum indicators, all in strongly bearish, negative configuration, just showing that any sort of rally is a chance to sell. And I think that is continuing to be the outlook for this chart. Now, 65.25 is the initial support. That was the old support from that consolidation band, which now turns into the new resistance. And I think if you look on this intraday hourly chart, you'll see that in more detail. And that is exactly where I think the resistance will come in. In terms of on the daily chart, sorry, very quickly again on the intraday chart, you had a zip up to 64.97 that failed yesterday. So again, around 65, big figure, seems to be resistance as well. On the daily chart, this downtrend, continue to see that as resistance, 65.90. So if there is today, there could be a short squeeze on the euro, which may well endure. It may well result in some selling pressure on the dollar. That may well be seen through cable as well, and hence that might mean a cable rally. Now, this rally in cable, I think, which we might get this afternoon, would be a chance to sell. I think that cable is continuing to go lower. I don't see any real change in that, and I think any sort of rally is a chance to sell, and I think that should be the focus for this afternoon. This playing cable may well be a very good way of taking advantage of a short squeeze in the euro. So selling any rally in cable. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.